What is balance? When I ask artists this question, they often struggle to give me an answer. They say things like, I know it when I see it, or they'll give me a puzzled look as though they've never actually considered the question. I'll look at their work and I'll note that they are capable of balancing a piece of artwork, but they can't explain what balance is or how to achieve it. Creating balance in a piece of artwork is a process that is often intuitive to artists. I want to give you a conscious understanding of how to find balance in your pictures. You might wonder why an intellectual understanding would be helpful if so many artists do this instinctually. When your instincts are supported by your intellectual understanding, then your artistic skills will be enhanced. When your instincts are uncertain of what path to take, your intellect will be able to offer a course of action. Alternatively, you might be struggling with the concept because you don't know what people mean when they say that a piece of artwork is balanced. Or worse, you're struggling to understand why someone has said that your artwork is unbalanced. In this section, I'll show you how to overcome these problems.